Are you ready to go swimming? Okay. And I released the video on Friday showing how I use volcanic clay on my hair, and I hope you guys have checked it out. I'm just answering any more comments and stuff right now and trying to answer all those comments and everything. And I thank you guys so much for watching our videos. We enjoy it, and I think I'm gonna go swimming with the girls now, so let's go. So hi everyone, I'm here with Grandma and I'm here with Tolani. Tolani, say good morning.
Good morning.
It's not really morning, it's afternoon, and we are at Jesse Jones Park. We're back at this nature park. Remember, we came to this nature park a couple of days ago and we came to just walk around, and when we came we got some information that they gave us in this paper right here, and one of the information was they're gonna do a nature old settler kind of thing. So we decided to invite our little friends. Hi. Hey, you brought your binoculars, huh? Yeah, and then we also have our aunties here. Hey, and we are going to go to the Rosebud Hill homestead to learn how to make homemade ice cream and how to live like the whole Texan people. So we have to figure out how to get there, and I hope you guys have fun, but we're all here to have fun and to share in the experience.
No, these are Neola's. I don't know who's.
Where's Eniola?
She's at her etiquette class.
Yeah, so Eniola is at her etiquette class right now, and she's with her dad.
Baby frog. No, that's not a frog.
That's a leaf.
Mommy, that is not a leaf.
That's not a leaf. What's that?
That's a bug.
Seashells. I didn't realize that those were seashells. Alicia had a class here one time. Oh my God. Do we know which way? I don't know which way we should go. It goes in a circle, okay. It doesn't matter which way we go.
You had the right idea the first time. Kind of flip it out and string it. There you go.
See how I did that?
Pull them apart real fast. I send it over to your sister.
Okay, send it over. Okay. You have to try and catch it. Do you know how to do that? Let's see what that is. Let me see what it is.
You gotta jerk it forward.
Okay. Uh-oh. Get it. Whoa, you nearly caught it. Okay. Okay, be careful. Oh, be careful. Okay. What?
You're gonna break your legs.
Let's go to the cabin.
Hello. Hi there, how are you? I'm fine.
Okay, you guys want to come up here?
This is the homestead cabin, and you guys are welcome to come up and go in it. And then if you would like to make a little plastic basket, I'll show you guys how to make a little basket. Oh, you can come on in. This is, Tina, maybe he's going to come down here with her sewing later.
Okay, hi.
Hi there, come on in.
Thank you. See, this is like how the cabin is. Oh. And this is where the baby sleeps, right?
This is where the parents sleep, and that's where the kids sleep.
Yeah, it should have a
Oh, the kids sleep up
area
there.
up there, yeah. They
Oh.
can sleep on the floor.
See?
Yeah.
And all it is one room. Hmm? It's smaller than your room.
Yeah, when they talk about, you heard the phrase sleep tight before you're going to bed? This is what they were talking about, because you would have to tighten it up or the mattress, or you're going to end up falling through. So.
Okay, so when they say sleep tight, that
Sleep
means
tight,
just
that
tighten
means
this up.
these things. So periodically they have to come in here and redo these
Oh.
and pull them tight.
No wonder. I thought that you just meant.
That's where that comes from. Yeah.
Oh,
somebody-
okay.
I learned that here. When
Oh,
we were
wow.
talking about it. I was like, oh, that makes sense now.
Was
Oh,
that the
cool.
baby's crib?
Looks like a crib, yes.
Yeah, you guys want to go check out the other cabins?
Yeah, that's for Beeman.
Okay, let's go.
I am sweating.
Be careful. Careful. There's watermelon. Making the ice cream. Oh, that's the ice.
The can on the inside, that's what the cream's inside.
Oh,
And it's going around. And then there's another piece in there called a dasher. And it's going the opposite direction inside the can.
so this is the ice. Where's the cream? The cream is inside?
Inside the can, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And the ice here with the salt on it will get good and cold.
Okay.
And that'll freeze that cream then, making it ice cream.
Oh, okay. Wow.
You agitate it as it goes so it just doesn't become a lump of
Yeah.
ice. You know, you want it to be
Nice
taste
and
good.
creamy.
So-
So I bet people don't eat ice cream all the time because this takes a lot of work.
Yeah, yeah. Well, and it'd take an effort to get ice down here. You know,
Yeah.
this time of year, any
Yeah.
time of year, pretty much. But,
Yeah.
yeah, but they did it. They would ship stuff down. They would fill walls in like rail cars with sawdust.
Yeah.
And
Ooh. So this is the ice cream that he made? Wow.
Homemade ice cream.
That is so cool.
This is strawberry.
Okay.
Made with strawberries.
How does it taste? Tastes good?
Log cabins have wood shingles or cedar shingles or shakes as we call them. And in between, right here, you see we have some adobe. This is a mixture of clay and hay or straw. The straw kind of binds it together. And then you usually only put this in during the winter time when you want to, because you hit it to and fro, back and forth. And what this does is it splits large pieces of wood. So basically you're just going to strike and it's going to split. Let's do it one of these shakes right here. Let's try right here. So just got to kind of keep it in the middle, give it a nice firm pop, to and fro, to and fro, to, eventually till it's.
Okay. So what was your favorite part? T, what was your favorite part? The ice cream. Yeah. You guys have fun. What was your favorite part?
Can we see that again?
What was your favorite part?
I like that.
Making the basket? Okay, good.
Well, not making it, but
You made it? You made a basket?
looking at the beds.
Looking at the beds. Oh, the kids,
It reminds
the
me of
cabin?
sleep. I like to sleep.
Oh,
So, too bad we didn't get to try that game though.
it's okay.